Maybe like put some linseed oil on them, let them soak in or whatever.
On what, this?
The column.
You know, I don't know what I need to do with the columns.
So it's another day at the Red Rooster and tons of interesting things are happening and there's a bunch of stuff to catch up on. So it looks like there's a guy here sucking the insulation out of the roof. So that's kind of cool. We can go look at that later. And there's been some progress in the kitchen area. This has been cleaned out. Revealed a really nasty floor. Now, I wasn't here for most of this. However, I was here very briefly. I just kind of dropped in for removing the big refrigerator. Yep, there in the middle of the thing.
Yep, now it's just slide over. And again. Yep.
Alright, we're down.
We're down. Bring it all the way down.
Well, we spin it this side, just keep spinning. Keep it spin. Come on, don't tell me this fucking door is gonna stop us now.
The lobby should be done by now. Yep. All nice and cleaned out. Got that opened up, or opened or taken off, whatever. The brick guy asked not to be filmed, so I kind of got to run in here while he's away. But it looks like he's undoing this. He's gonna make this into a proper door. Actually, I guess this whole thing's gone. Well, shoot, look at that. Kind of interesting. Interesting, so I guess these are spacers that he uses. That's pretty cool. Yep, that's the insulation. Good to get rid of that stuff.
Yeah, over. You gotta be more high. Make sure I hit everything.
And then what I want to put wide and
Push that whole corner up into the jack.
yeah.
See like the narrow short of everything else?
I can go on top. I can go on top. I mean, these are solid.
So what are we doing?
Well, this porch is sunk in this corner, and it's sunk. The foundation of the brick is sunk down, so we're going to actually build a beam structure that's going to support the top of the roof of the porch. We're going to take these rafters out, and then the brick guy's going to go ahead and redo the brick. We're going to put a new foundation under the brick so it's solid, and once that's all done, we'll rebuild the porch back up and put the columns back in.
Is he going to put the bricks back like that, to where there's still going to be a porch in that area?
Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, there's still going to be the arch. He's just going to dismantle all this and then rebuild it on top of the foundation piece.
Oh, nice.
So.
Well, cool. I told you that happened. See, I was thinking that window would get busted, but oh well. At least it didn't.
Close.
Oh, it's actually, is it hollow? Oh, I thought it was solid.
Leave it or just lay it down the ground.
but I've never seen another brand that has one like this super long before.
Yeah.
At least not at local hardware stores. This is like something where you get a Royal King or something like that.
I found her. They only.
Well, the problem is this is exactly the length that I need. The longer will be better. I told you it's heavy. Yeah, thank you.
Huh? Getting more? A little bit. It's hard to walk all the way around the road.
My email address, and I got an email the other day that said,
Yeah, but that's pretty.
that is pretty odd, I know.
Intrusive.
But Klaatu was evidently they are also
Whoa, yeah.
famous for their 3 locations. Stop in and say hi to them.
Say hi. She's at JMM.
That's good. That's fine. I mean, I do too, but evidently they are invasive in Florida, and kind of not quite as bad as the bullets. They're terrific.
Do they have no natural predators?
Well, they got that spiny thing, you know, on their back. Stuff that's made, you know, not something.
I would just throw it over.
You know,
Or they say coconut oil.
yeah, coconut oil.
I don't know about cottage cheese.
Yeah, but you know, you gotta have like natural habit. I don't know. I know there's snakes in the Everglades. You know, big snakes. There's dead in the Everglades. Are literally overrunning. They're destroying their. Wow, it's amazing.
Well guys, we're kind of wrapping up for today. Just gonna be a lot of boring cleaning up, and I kind of don't feel like filming it because it's unfun as it is. But we got this pretty well cleaned up, and I think it's pretty good. Got all that stuff taken up. A lot of the newer stuff will be thrown away in the dumpster. The white stuff will be saved because hopefully we can reuse it. Like we'd like to reuse these, just maybe not these bottom ones. Probably gonna have somebody respin or spin new wood bottoms because they're just too dead. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.